Hello everyone, this is Aishree Parika. I'm a student of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My today's video is on the topic inheritance and its types, which is a subtopic in the course Oops with Java. So let us begin with our video today. What is inheritance in Java? Inheritance is a fundamental concept in Java that allows a new class to inherit the attributes of the existing class. This enables the new class to inherit the attributes and methods of the existing class, promoting code reuse and creating a hierarchical relationship between two or more classes. What exactly is inheritance? Code reuse, hierarchical relationships, and specialization. Code reuse is inheritance allows a derived class to reuse the code and properties from its base class, reducing development time and efforts. Hierarchical relationships. Inheritance creates a hierarchical relationship between classes where a child class inherits from a parent class. Specialization derived classes can specialize and extend the functionality of their base classes, tailoring them to specific needs. Here arises a question of why. Why to use inheritance? These are the advantages of inheritance. First one is code reuse, extensibility, maintainability. Code reuse. Inheritance allows code reuse, reducing development time and effort. Extensibility. Derived classes can extend the functionality of their base classes, enabling software evolution. Maintainability. Inheritance promotes code organization and modularity, improving the maintainability of the code base. These are the types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and multiple inheritance. Single inheritance involves a single parent class and a child class, where the child class inherits from the parent class. Multi-level inheritance is the inheritance where a single class, a single child class inherits from numerous parent classes. Hierarchical inheritance, this is the inheritance where more than two classes are involved, that is the hierarchical order. One would be the grandparent class, parent class, and the child class. Multiple inheritance. Class inherits from multiple base classes, though this is not supported in Java. Multi-level inheritance is a class inherits from a parent class, which in turn inherits from a grandparent class. Hierarchical inheritance is where multiple derived classes inherit from a single base class, creating a tree-like hierarchy. So let us know what is single inheritance. Single inheritance involves a single parent class and a child class. Parent class. The base or parent class defines the common attributes and behaviors. Child class is the derived or child class inherits from the parent class, gaining its properties and methods. Specialization. The child class can specialize and extend the functionality of the parent class. Multi-level inheritance. Grandparent class, it involves grandparent class, parent class, and the child class. Grandparent class, a top-level base class that defines the core attributes and behaviors. Parent class, the derived class that inherits from the grandparent class and adds its own specialized functionalities. Child class, the most derived class that inherits from the parent class, gaining attributes and methods from both parent and grandparent. Hierarchical inheritance. Parent class, child class, and we'll see the specialization. Parent class, a common base class that defines the shared attributes and behaviors. child class, multiple derived classes that inherit from the same parent class, specializing its functionality. The specialization of a hierarchical inheritance is each child class can tailor the inherited features to its specified or specific needs. Multiple inheritance. Parent class A, one of the base classes that the child class inherits from. Child child class, the derived class that inherits features from both parent classes. Here, more than one parents are involved. Parent class B, the other class base that the child class inherits from. Constructors and inheritance. Constructor chaining. When a child class is instantiated, its constructor calls the constructor of the parent class. Explicit invocation. Child class constructors can explicitly invoke the constructor of the parent class using the super keyword. Default constructors. If no constructor is defined in the child class, the default constructor of the parent class is called. So we'll see the advantages and disadvantages of inheritance in Java. Advantages are code reuse, extensibility, and maintainability, as we saw it in the before slides. Disadvantages, it is increased complexity, tight coupling, and potential for misuse. I hope you guys understood the concept of inheritance and its types. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the video.